To transfer money from MoneyGram to GCash, start by launching the GCash app on your iOS or Android device and log into your account using your MPIN. From the dashboard, tap on the Cash In option, which will display a list of available options to cash into your GCash account. Select the MoneyGram option, and a new screen will prompt you to enter the amount you want to cash in, as well as the MoneyGram reference number from the sender. You will also need to input your country of birth, and then tap Next. The following screen will provide a detailed summary of the transaction, which you should review and confirm are correct. Once you tap Confirm, you will receive a notification on your screen indicating a successful transaction, as well as a message on your phone notifying you of the new cash in your GCash account. This process is straightforward, making it easy to transfer money from MoneyGram to GCash.